Hey everyone, welcome once again to my channel. I'm Tina with Tina's Inspired Art. We're going to be having fun today because we're working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas and I've got a whole new color palette that we're going to try today. I've been loving the earthy tones, and so I do want to stick with earthy tones, but I'm introducing a few more colors into the mix. So there are quite a few colors that you can see lined up here. I'm going with, this is like a hunter green, a bronze. This one is a jungle green, and it's got some iridescent in it. This one is a mixture that I created myself. I am going to have to pop the top off because the bottle does not indicate really what the color looks like, even though I did mix it up. So this is the color. It's really a strange color, but I mixed a gold and a bronze together, and so it did make a metallic color, and it's quite interesting, and it looks really cool with all of these other colors. So it's like almost like a brass. So it's very brassy color, and it definitely goes well with all of these earthy tones. I've got some iridescent white. I'm going to introduce a little bit of blue in there and a lime green. And this lime green looks really bright in here, but once it's mixed, it doesn't appear to be a really bright green, almost more some yellow tones, but when mixed, it really brings out a lot of brightness. The metallic, of course, it's really metallic looking, but it doesn't give you that real shock of, oh, it doesn't go. It just blends it all together, and I just absolutely love it with, you know, these kind of earthy colors that I have. My background is going to stay with a more softer background with kind of a very soft gray and more of a warm gray, I would say, than a cool gray. We're just gonna get right into this pour today. All right, I think we're ready to go. We're gonna start designing. It's gonna be more closer to the corner. Right here. So nice little kind of a star, I would say, down here, and then kind of like the roots of your botanical are kind of right down here, and then stemming off the roots, I'll have some different design coming out like this. Maybe something like that. Yeah, something like that should look really pretty. And these little branches, I call them, coming off of my stems, really help my blowout as I'm going through it, it really helps me to help the paint move in that direction that I want it to go. And that's why I design them like this. So now I'm going to go in with my bronze right on this hunter green. They just look so nice. It's like they're made to go together. Real earthy. And I really just love bronze. And this really might go with my last painting that I did. And yeah, they could hang together. All right, those are my colors. That's the design. Let's see if this can really look so pretty and do our botanical technique to it. I'll start right in here. Start right here and put my focal point right here. And me dragging it through is gonna bring some of that background where it'll be a little brighter. By seeing the lines come through and the design forming, it just tends to make it look that much better. Just form that into a leaf. This one into a leaf. See how you can just form that. Just kind of make it work. Little air pocket right there. I'm gonna pop it. Stop with that one. So it's all coming together. It is on the darker side for sure, but some people like them darker. Some people like those warm, earthy colors. So I like to have a little bit of a variety for people. I think I'm gonna brighten up that middle with maybe this color. That adds to it for sure. I think we can call this one done. You guys let me know what you think of these colors and my design. Maybe on this one I can add something fun over in this corner to bring more life into it. And yeah, I hope this one dries really pretty. So let me know in the comments what you think about this one, guys. And just another quick reminder that my Botanical Dutch pour course comes out on August 30th. We will be launching on the Smartartcourses platform. Inside the course, there's going to be additional bonuses, and inside the course, you'll be able to ask questions, which I will answer, make comments, and it's going to be a wonderful community. I can't wait to meet you guys. Let me know in my comments below if you plan on joining me. I really look forward to meeting you inside my course, chatting with you, and seeing what you will be able to create after taking my course. So let me get you in close to see this one that we just completed. Very fall-like, a little bit darker than what I had originally hoped for, but I still like it. I still like the colors. They look really nice together. Definitely will bring in a lot of warmth into anyone's home. I like the design. Let me know what you guys think about this one. And again, thank you all so much for being here. Until next time, I will see you later.